Y'all, let's get our sign prepped first. All right, I'm gonna put 2 mounting squares on our circle. A little dab at the bottom, a little dab at the top. Y'all, you do not need a ton of super glue. I'm going to just put a little bit of hot glue right around it. Now that hot glue is not going to hold permanently to metal, but it will hold enough until your super glue cures. Let's get our mesh ready. All right, so we've got 1 roll of 30-inch mesh. All right, I'm going to cut 8 pieces at 20 inches. And when I say 20, that's anywhere between 18 and 20. So we're going to do 20 cuts at 10 inches each. All right, so we're going to do 2 10-inch curls all the way around the bottom. All right, so we're just going to curl them up. Put them in a cross shape. Pinch it in the middle. And then we're going to add that into one of the outside twists. This is a 24 by 36 mat. Do we have wreath frames? I know we did. You have to check decoexchange.com to see if we have them. All right, making our X. Yeah, so on this style, it's 2 10-inch cuts in every twist at the bottom. So you'll need 20 10-inch cuts. And then you'll need 8 20-inch for the top. And you'll see that it makes a pretty good full base with only 1 roll of mesh. Now, y'all, look how nice and full this looks with just 1 roll of 10-inch mesh. Y'all, in this one, I'm going to put the sign down here. Then we're going to decorate it out. So I'm going to grab a 10-inch pipe cleaner. Slide it right through the mounting square. All right, got those added. Gonna just work our pipe cleaner down through the frame and tie it off to the frame. So look, you can see on the back, all I did was wrap that pipe cleaner around the top and the bottom. Now we're gonna make our bow. So I'm gonna measure out about 12 inches. We're gonna pinch it. Y'all, I really like to do a good twist before. And then slide that twist in there. All right. Then we're going to measure out about 6.5 to 7 inches. Hey, Vince. Then we're going to measure out 6.5 to 7 the other way. And then measure a tail up here. That one's going to be about 8 inches. All right, give it a good twist. 8-inch tail at the top. About 6 inches up here. About 6 inches down here. And then another tail this way. All right, another long tail. Another screaming child. All right, then we're going to add a center loop. All right, we're going to take one of our pipe cleaners. Give it a good pinch. All right. Get it good, tight, and pinched. So it's not very often you see me do a bow like this with a single ribbon. But sometimes it's all you need. All right, we're gonna get this added right up here at the top. Y'all, have you ever tried doing one ribbon tails? I've never tried. Let me just cut one and see what that looks like. I think it might be cute with just a single tail all the way around the bottom. So let's cut 9 more like that at 13 inches. So all I'm doing is adding those ribbon tails right into the twist that was already on the frame. All right, let's trim our bow up. So we're just gonna dovetail those ribbons. In this spot, I think I want to do like a fake loop with a single tail. So just made a loop on one end, tail on the other. Throw it in there. Fold it out. Get that tail going like this. So you can see how that looks right there. It just made the bow look bigger. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so when you have it like this, just fold it backwards, pinch it on this side, and then this is where you add it into your pipe cleaner right there. That way your loop and your tail are both going the same way. All right, now we can take the flower stems. All right, gonna pull these apart. Snip that one. Fluff this flower out. All right. Now I'm going to add 2 stems this way, and then the other ones down that way. Nope, it was a 25-yard roll of ribbon. And I sent you guys the whole 25 yards in this kit. All right, so I'm going to do 1 red and white at the top. All right. Now the other 2 are going to be this way. Make sure you have a lot of glue on your stem. All right, last one right down here. So we're just trying to get a little waterfall of flowers that starts here and just goes around right down this way.